And apparently that's funny XD, but I don't know. That's crazy. Yeah, I don't know what it's like. I don't know. I am glad I haven't watched anything related to it. I know that there is like some girl. I think she's the inventor of it or like the main character or whatever the fuck, and like yeah. That's crazy though. Oh la la, tomorrow. 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 What's tomorrow? Race week is tomorrow. XDD still better remote. What? Oh, I was confused why I didn't flip so hard. Clean. How do I... Bro. How can I make it like... Ah, fuck it, I'll just do this. Wait, why does it have this? Fuck? Wait, what are these walls? I don't want these walls. Nice, whatever. CBA. Why am I flip blocking? I have to flip block. Because this is... I don't want to use black platform and then random platform finish. It looks better this way. And I wanted to free block the grass so there is no gap. You know? Most broken dirt custom block pack? I mean, true, Loki. But wait, what do you mean grass? Place the grass under it. Oh, wait. No, I just did that. Look, and you still have this gap here. See? That's why. No. RS type map? Soon. What's a good transition? STM? Yeah, but STM when I'm back next week. ICB playing turbo right now. Wait, this is kinda goated. I wish it was one higher. Hello, Camille. This is never gonna work. Camille, please save me. But like, if I drop down to dirt now, it's gonna... I'm just gonna, like, die. Keyboard. Trumpet. I can't even play Rift. The fuck you mean, bro? Okay, 32. Camille, your days are here. Let me just put another dirt ellipse block. Damn right, stay mad, people. It should be diagonal, I think. What do you mean recycle? I literally never used this turn. I mean, I used this transition on short map once. But like... no one knows. I think I don't remember. I do think you remember map from that, or like, let's say a turn, you know? Okay, that's 35. Oh. I mean, I could just do this. I need that checkpoint. Because I don't know if outside lane is faster even. I always forget to place checkpoints. Like, this is never faster, right? And I'm gonna replace this with a normal platform. Yeah, epic. Ay, ay, ay. I love this game. Under the classic. Yeah, nice. I have no speed. I have no mana. Wait, can't I need to finish the map already? Wait, how long does it have to be? Oh, 35 seconds. Yeah, I'm fine. No dying in this chat, right? Dying is literally not allowed. You. Are you aware? Like I'm going home tomorrow, but when I'm back, like, how is it not a multiplier? Bro, what? How do you get a multiplier on this garbage? Like that was you can't get cleaner landing? Okay, bro. Why am I playing? But I'm gonna cook here, okay? Let me cook, let me cook. Wow. Insane. Okay, now I respawn. No, I delete, right? That's how it works. Okay, I have to delete again because it wasn't a perfect landing. Ah. Hello, egg. Did you guys know that Wojtek is challenger in league? Bro is grinding. Yeah, he got chal, he's 800 LP. Like, Rift. My goat. Mickey Mouse server. I mean, yeah, it's a Mickey Mouse server. But it's a super Polish server, so. What percentile? Top 200. I think. Almost. Oh yeah, I need to do... I have a bad line there as well. You could mug. I need to rethink the exit here. What the hell? I need to listen to this playlist more. What a layout though. Holy shit. Holy... What the... Like, I can love piano. Best plugin ever. Like, honestly, if there was like one instrument I would like to learn, it would be piano. Because low-key, you don't have to like blow into the like instrument, you know, like with trombone or flute. You don't have to sing at all, right? You just spam your keys, you know. It's like... I don't know if I wanna use this. Hello, Radosław. Right on the gear change. Now they hate me. Wait, this is kinda smooth. What the hell? What about the larger one? No, this is much better. I mean, I am a Kendrick Glazer, and I'm a Ellipse Blocks Glazer. You can be both. Do you get a slowdown here? It's so weird. waypoint. And I don't know what to build next. I don't know if I should continue right now or... Fuck is there to do? Let's see plugins. Action key piano. That's kinda based. So based actually. What the heck? Yeah, I'm playing with this. That's for sure.
What the Sigma?
Okay. Yeah, Bira, this is like... Unlike the bonk plugin, which is the worst fucking plugin ever invented, and whoever uses the bonk plugin needs to rethink what you're doing, like immediately. Like if you have a bonk plugin, please grow up and change as a person. For real. Hey. Snow map? Bro, I am not playing snowcar, buddy. You need to pay me. I need to make it a slow map, but how can be slow? Ground level, based ground level mapping. I hope phase wins. Oh, how did Furia go? Furia, I guess Mouse won, right? Furia? That's me. No. Why is it so dog shit? Easily 2.0 here. Nice. Right. Should drift, but I will take those. I will take those. The content is no more. I'm gonna play stunt map. Let's fucking go. Ooh, which one do I play? Which is the best one? Mm, no, this is snow. Nope, nope. Actually, unironically, the worst one. Give me the worst one. Fricandelle Brudje. Snow spinning. Alright. Yo, W. I'm going left. How is it not a Mazda? Bira, do you actually wanna play Tompus together? Like, you know how long it's gonna take, right? Like, oh, no way! Oh, no way! Yeah, this is never. Bro, what the fuck am I playing? Right, sure. No.
Salam alaikum, alaikum salam. Échale salsa. Dale picante. Échale salsa, dale picante.
Top
What a
100
Sigma.
world. What? I'm the only one in my voivodeship who played this. Oh, where? Okay. There's like 3 people here and no one. Oh, I can show you the map.
We're not done. Daddy isn't done
Map
speaking.
5.
You will come back here.
Quick mapping time. And it's like 15 seconds only though. Oh, Gear 2 Deluxe. One gifted, one. Yeah. Just kidding. Mm. Do not gift? Wow. That is crazy thing to say. Why is there no checkpoint? Kinda wanna play Geo mods. Play? No? Because I'm on the map. You wouldn't get it. Why? Become a Geo Pro and lose all my Trackmania skill? No. I'm already Geo Pro. $1,000 ELO. I sneezed. Fuck my life. I have no idea. What could he mean by that? Wait, road dirt.
Sniffs cocaine.
I'm kinda on my custom item abuse arc these days, holy shit. You guys are mad. Stay mad, cool. Maybe join Waypoint. I mean, you can literally ask Ellipse Garbo, like, I don't know. Skibidi free block. Walter. Wait, what's this? Oh, what's the emote? Full out. I didn't see. I forgot about the plugin. You should also remember what I used. No, I didn't use this exact block. I used this block a few times. Now, I used that block. Damn right! Dude, you're such a fucking nerd. Holy shit. That's actually what I meant, yeah. It was this exit here. This exit, one block, and then transition to the left. Good night, Stosha. Someone needs to make like a map guesser type shit for Trackmania, you know? I could do this. Waypoint Mabedal group. Wait, how long is it? Oh shit. Yeah, but like Mark Riddles are like showing 2 leaves, you know? Like, bro, I don't care. If there is like a route, let's say, just a better route, for example, without the scenery, and guess some